Printer features. The GC420 and GK888 printers are available in two media handling configurations. Standard. Label dispenser. Feed button and status indicator. Printer power and wired communication interfaces are located on the rear. Power switch. DC power input receptacle. USB port. Parallel port. Serial port. External media feed slot. Media cover latches. Media holders. Fan fold media stop. Media guides. Media guide adjustment. Head-up sensor. Lower media sensor. Platen roller. Label dispenser option. Label dispenser. Label dispenser peel bar. Peel roller. Label taken sensor. Print head. Do not touch. Static discharge and contaminants, such as dirt and body oils, may damage the print head. Upper media sensor. Ribbon carriage. Ribbon motion sensor. Ribbon take-up gear. Ribbon supply spindles. Ribbon take-up spindles. Cover release. Media tear-off edge.